What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bolt Canyon Outdoors, and I am standing outside the BCO garage with Connor's 2007 JK, and we just got an awesome mail call from AMOffRoad. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're doing today is replacing the factory JK taillights. And everybody knows that's what these look like. You know, they've got incandescent bulbs, a fairly anemic reverse light that's not very effective. So we decided to upgrade. We just got this box from AMOffRoad with a gorgeous set of LED taillights. So these are a plug-and-play unit. All it takes is a Phillips head screwdriver in about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we want to do is take off the factory tail light. Now it looks like it has 4 Phillips head screws, but 2 of them are just dummy screws. So we're going to pull these 2 out and the tail light just drops right out. Next, we're going to unplug the factory harness here. Now we'll take the new tail light and install it in its place. This is a completely plug-and-play unit, so just plug the new tail lights plug directly into the factory harness. Next, tuck in the wiring and slide the light into place. Then all you have to do is replace the 2 screws and you are all done. Now we just repeat the process for the other side and your new tail lights are installed. All right, we've got them on. Let's take a look and see how they work. I'm going to put some links down below to where you can get a hold of these awesome taillights from AMOffRoad. All right, guys, there you have it. There's the taillight conversion from AMOffRoad. They're all LED, both in the taillights themselves and the reverse light. So they're nice and bright, very effective in the darkness, and have a lot nicer look to them. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first to know every time we have a cool install, a fun run, or all kinds of cool stuff coming from Bolt Canyon Outdoors. So from the BCO garage, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.